Hello, today we will guide you through how to check Google Antigravity token usage. To begin, open the Antigravity software on your computer. Make sure the application is fully loaded before moving on, so all menus and settings are available. If you're already signed in, you should land on the main workspace right away. This process starts from inside the app, so there's no need to open a separate browser page first. Once Antigravity is open, look to the top right area of the screen and click on Settings. This is where you can access configuration options for the software, including the areas related to usage and model behavior. If your interface looks slightly different, take a moment to scan the top right corner carefully, since settings are commonly placed there in many desktop tools. After opening Settings, click on Open Antigravity IDE User Settings. This will take you into the user-specific configuration area for the IDE. In most cases, this section contains the options tied to how your personal workspace is set up, rather than system-wide defaults. That's useful when you want to review details related to your own account activity or usage preferences. When the User Settings area opens, go to the left side navigation panel and click on Model. The Model section is the part you'll want for checking information connected to token usage. Depending on your version of the software, this page may show model-related details such as configuration, limits, or usage information associated with your current setup. Once you're in the Model section, take a moment to review the available information on screen. This area is typically where token-related usage can be referenced, especially if the platform exposes model consumption details through user settings. If you don't immediately see the exact wording you expect, look carefully through the visible options and labels in that panel, since interface wording can vary slightly between versions. That's the full process for checking Google Antigravity token usage through the Antigravity software. Open the app, go to Settings, enter the Antigravity IDE user settings, and then select Model from the left navigation. Following this path helps you get to the section most relevant to usage details quickly and consistently.